What up, nerds? I'm Jay Sharif. Welcome to another episode of Tech Tuesdays. As usual, this is going to be a short video about something I recently bought. Now, like many of you, I love watching movies, and during the pandemic, I've been forced to watch them at home. Obviously, you can't watch movies without snacks, and because I'm trying to be healthier, my snack of choice is popcorn. Now, in the past, I've been making microwave popcorn using these. They're very nice and easy. You can get these at any supermarket. It's a paper bag covered in a flavoured butter, and all you do is put the paper bag in your microwave, and then you run it on the highest setting for about 2 minutes. It's such an easy process, and when you're done, the popcorn comes out covered in a sweet or salty flavour. The big problem with this is that it's incredibly bad for you, which means that instead of being healthy and nutritious, your popcorn could give you lung cancer. Because the butter in this bag is not real butter. It's a cocktail of chemical compounds, including something called PFCs and diacetyl. Now, to be clear, these chemicals are not as dangerous as something like cigarettes. However, even though the risks are not severe, the danger is still there. In fact, some Western countries have banned PFCs from food packaging altogether. So, if you love popcorn, then what are the safe alternatives? Well, I managed to find two realistic options. The first is an air popper like this. I've owned this one for quite a while. It's not particularly difficult to operate. Basically, you use this measuring cup that comes with it and then throw the popcorn kernels inside. Then you switch it on. It does seem to vibrate quite a lot, and at one point I was quite worried it would eventually fall off the counter. Anyway, there's a heating element at the bottom which pushes warm air through the popcorn kernels, and once they start popping, they shoot upwards and out the side of the machine. The second option is a plastic bowl like this. Now, this isn't just a regular plastic bowl. It's been designed specifically to make popcorn in a microwave. So, you're probably wondering, how is this plastic bowl better than the cancer-causing microwave bags? It's a very good question. This flimsy bowl is made from food-grade silicon. It's free from BPAs and PVC, so it will not react with the popcorn in any way. You just throw some popcorn kernels inside and then stick it in your microwave. A couple of minutes on the high power setting and you end up with a bowl full of popcorn. Now, I bought mine from Amazon and it came with no instructions whatsoever. I did a quick Google and I learned that you should put nothing but kernels inside. Do not add any flavouring or oil. Apparently quite a few people have ignored that instruction and set their kitchens on fire. Please don't do that. So, the question is, which of these two options makes the tastiest popcorn? Well, here I have popcorn made by the air popper, and here I have popcorn made in the silicon bowl. I'm going to cut to the chase. Both of these taste exactly the same. No difference whatsoever. Both of them taste exactly like popcorn. I just need to add a little bit of salt and it will be perfect. Also, both of them seem to pop about 95% of the popcorn kernels I put inside them. So, here's the obvious question. Which method am I going to use in future? Dry throat. Well, here's the thing. The air popper has quite a few issues. Firstly, it's really loud. Secondly, the whole machine gets very, very hot. However, The biggest problem is that the machine shoots out the popcorn at such a high speed that it ends up everywhere. I actually had to clean both the machine and my kitchen after I used this thing. In contrast, the silicone bowl is really easy to use. The only noise is obviously from your microwave. It does get quite hot, but thanks to the silicone lid, all the popcorn stays inside the bowl, and these handles on the side don't seem to overheat. So, my consumer advice this week is to make your homemade popcorn using a silicone bowl. There are links in the description if you want to buy either of these. That's all for today. I'll be back with another video very soon. Later, nerds!